Hello everyone and welcome to this Khao San Road walking tour in Bangkok, Thailand. This is the start of Khao San Road. It is Friday night and the time is midnight, 12 o'clock. On the right side we see Rocco Bar. Seems pretty empty and not a lot of action, just people sitting on chairs. At the right side, Kok Hua. The bar looks pretty empty and boring. Then the next bar on the right side. These two bars are also totally empty. Then on the left side, another empty bar. And the next bars on the left side are also all totally empty. And another empty bar. On the right side, more empty places. And a bar with blue chairs, also empty. Let's check the opposite side. On the left side, also totally empty. There are only two people sitting at the whole bar. Here also a small group of 2-3 people sitting at an empty bar. Okay, this bar seems pretty full, but everyone is sitting down. There's not much action going on. Also seems boring. Nice if you want to talk with a friend, but otherwise boring. Everybody is just sitting bored at their tables. And on the left side, another empty bar. There is a woman sitting with her small baby child. I think Khao San Road is not a good place to hang out with your baby at nighttime and in the evening. They are drinking beer and enjoying loud music with their baby. A massage shop. There's only two very old people. I'm not sure why these old people are getting a massage in the middle of the night in a nightlife area for young people. Is this still the place to be for young backpackers in 2024? Another empty bar. And the next bar is also totally empty. Here the bar is also pretty empty. Back to the left side, another empty bar. Two people dancing and that's it. Now we enter the busiest area in the middle of Khao San Road. On the left side, it's totally packed with people. On the right side, Empire Bar. People are inhaling laughing gas balloons here. People are inhaling laughing gas balloons here. A guard is flashing on me with his flashlight and I have no idea why. He is clearly targeting me. Back to the left side, a lot of people are here. The center Khao San Bar has a gay dancer to gain attention and attract customers. That's pretty funny. On the right side, it's also full of people. At Lucky Bear Bar. This is clearly the busiest part of Khao San Road. one bar. The club Khao San, a backpacker nightclub. There is the entrance, 300 Thai baht entry fee. The next bar on the left side, Sky 666, looks pretty empty again. A bar on the right side, also totally empty. The Holy Beer bar looks pretty full, but it looks a bit boring. The next bar is pretty empty again. And another empty bar. More empty bars. Again, the bar is empty. It's unbelievable that this is prime time, Friday night at midnight, and almost all the bars are empty except a few ones, and almost nobody is dancing. What happened to the young, vibrant and energetic crowd in Bangkok? Is this still the center of nightlife in Bangkok for backpackers and young people? Khao San Road seems really dead in 2024. And again, empty bars. This is the end of Khao San Road. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.